Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how you can build this type of website and you can share that with your mother on the eve of Happy Mother's Day. So first it's going to show you this beautiful heart animation, and then as you scroll down it's going to show you this beautiful letter. So as you click on this letter, it's going to give you a very sweet message to your mom. And after that, Happy Mother's Day. So very cute one. So to get the source code of this project, you can go to our Geeky Script Buy Me a Coffee page. So here you will get this project Happy Mother's Day. You can see the link as well. It is properly deployed over here. So to get this project, you need to just purchase it, and once you purchase, you are going to get this project with the detailed source code. And if you only want the heart animation, then you can also purchase using this link. So this is only heart, and this project is for Mother's Day only. So that's basically all about this video. Please do share this website with your mom and make this Mother's Day a really memorable one. Alright. So yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.